Heather. I'm here at Disney's Animal Kingdom to check out their new summer nighttime offerings. And I hear when the sun goes down, things get wild. Let's check it out. Nighttime at Animal Kingdom comes alive with new sights, sounds, and experiences. From the Discovery Island Carnival to the Harambe Wildlife Party, the music and rhythm of the park is unlike anything you've experienced at Animal Kingdom before. The all-new show, Jungle Book Alive with Magic, is a sight to see. And if you've ever wanted to take a nighttime trek aboard Kilimanjaro Safari, you're in luck. On our trip, we saw rhinos, gazelles, lions, and so much more. Animal Kingdom's nighttime experiences is the Tree of Life Awakens. This is not to be missed and features amazing music and effects projected onto the Tree of Life. And what's a night of adventure without a nightcap? The Nomad Lounge, located next to the new Tiffin's restaurant, is one of the best places to relax with a delicious cocktail and unwind after a day of exploring Animal Kingdom. And you never know what other adventurers you'll run into.